Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechnoStart. Here I am going to show you how you can download the eScan antivirus for your mobile, which the video I have been uploaded yesterday at this time, same time only. So I would like to request you, first you should subscribe my channel and you should listen full video. After that you should go for the description, because there are many links which are fruitful for you, but you should know that which link is for whom sites and how it will be benefiting you. And without knowing anything, you didn't click on the links, and after that the user saying that it is doesn't work. So here it is a request, you should listen my full video. Then after, it is small 2 minutes video, and you should subscribe for that. Here I am going to show you that yesterday I have uploaded a one video in which there is a eScan antivirus for rupees 1, which is being available in the Flipkart. Yesterday it was currently out of stock for some time, but again it was restocked, and now the price is rupees 5. So it is for 1 year, full mobile security with anti-theft system. I don't know that, I have not downloaded till now. So many users are commenting personally through the WhatsApp group. So they have said that how to download. So here I am making a video. So you should see that video full. Friends, you can see my screen that it has been written that the Flipkart, wait 1 minute, it has been. So here you can see that it is my screen, in which yesterday it has been written that it will be delivered at the end of the day. So I received it just in 11:49 something. This means correct 12 it I've been receiving. So here it has been written eScan one device mobile year security. In this, here it is a link, download. You can see this from Play Store, run setup file, then select an option, agree install. When it asks for license, kindly paste it. So here are the activation code, and you have to paste on that, and the mobile security will run in your mobile for 1 year. So this is the activation code which I am being hiding from you. This you have to paste after downloading this. You can see that after clicking this, you can go through a Play Store, or I will put a link below the description so that you can download from there also. One more mail I want to show that related to this. So wait 1 minute. So here again I received a one mail from this. We pleased you to inform that item has been delivered. This order number has been delivered to your email. Please check your email register. There will be two mail which will be coming from you from the Flipkart side. It is down. You can see that it is invoice 1. You can see that tax invoice. Sorry. You can see that this tax invoice, this is the invoice which is being the proof of the purchase. And when you go to the Flipkart order site, you will see that the activation code is also available there. That's all for the today's video. Yesterday I have uploaded the 3 video. You should go for that. There is a MI smart bulb which is being available with the Amazon Echo Dot of 6,000 rupees, and both the combined price is 799. And after applying the coupon, those who are lucky they get in 499, and those who are not lucky they are getting in 699. So you should check for that also. And please wait for my next video. It is coming after 10 minutes. All the you should follow me on the Instagram, and those who are the students of class 12 who have been going this year class 12, they can join my one Insta channel which is